I think it's really hard to put a word on it.
You said it in the book. Okay, you said it in the book. That's when I knew the markets were rigged. And it's disgusting that you're trying to parse your words now.
Do you
can't say that.
You are quoted that way in the book, but
let's walk through an example.
Do you believe it or not? Because you said it.
Let me walk you through an example.
It's a yes or no question. Do you believe it or not?
I believe the markets are rigged.
Okay, so there you go.
And I also think that you're a part of the rigging. So if you want to do this, let's do this.
I really do.
My question to Bill, if he's launching these accusations,
I'm launching accusations.
What market data do you use to price trades on direct edge?
We use the direct feeds and the SIP in combination.
No. I asked you a question, not what you use to route. What do you use to price trades in your matching engine on direct edge?
We use the direct feeds.
No.
Yes, we do. And let me talk. Look, you had a 300-page commercial, okay? So let me talk.
We use direct feeds to price trades. We are not as fast as the fastest HFTs. What we've done is we've slowed down HFT's ability to react on our exchange, which means that if anyone in this room, if anyone at home, if a mutual fund or a hedge fund gives an order to IEX and it's our responsibility to price it, HFT cannot make that order.
They have the same HFT customers that we do, only we say they're providing a valuable service to the market. They say they're ripping off the market.
Do we have computerized trading on our market? Absolutely. I think the word high-frequency trading should be eliminated from the industry vocabulary.
You used it 20 times in the book.
There's computerized trading.
It's not his book.
There's computerized. Yeah, it wasn't my book.
You're quoted.
Computerized trading and computerized scalping. People can trade with computers. They will till the end of time. People use computers to scalp. They've always looked to game the markets. You cannot scalp trades. You cannot scalp orders that are on IEX.
It's great to see Bill instantly throw at Brad the idea that he's doing all this to promote a business model.
Well, he said that, and he also said, "Shame on you." How do you react to that?
I'll
say it again.
So I think he's outrageous. I think he's part of the problem.
Are you an investor in Brad's exchange?
No.
Michael? I'm just asking for full disclosure. Call me Cookie. I'm being a journalist.
Are you insane?
I'm not. I'm trying to do my job.
I didn't even go looking to write a book about him. I was just trying to figure out what the hell was going on in the stock market. And big investor after big investor said, there's one guy who's an honest broker in all of this. He's come into office and explained how all this works. And go talk to him. He's the only guy on Wall Street who can actually tell you the truth about how the stock market works.
You're not insane. And what I take the biggest issue with is BATS, Direct Edge, they didn't exist 10 years ago. And we became the biggest stock market in any given day in the United States by going to our customers, proving we had a value proposition, and winning their business. We didn't do it by trying to scare people. And I don't think it's true, and I don't think it's right.
Well,
you let Goldman Sachs' investment in my exchange as a sign of corruption, and his backing of his exchange is a sign of virtue.
And you didn't call me. There's a difference. Say the same thing.
Why is there a difference?
Because
the backing of me is bad, and the backing of you is good. How is it different?
Because they're a financial. They've invested in the investors in our exchange don't trade on our exchange. This is part of the problem, right? I mean, Bill, again, I say the sky's blue, Bill say the sky's red, right?
This company, this building was owned by people who traded here for 200 years.
Is he always like this on the show? This is insane.
What you say is insane.
I visited BATS. I interviewed people who...
No, you did not. That is false.
That's not false.
Absolutely false.
That's not false. I toured it. I had a tour of the place.
That is untrue.
What do you mean it's untrue? I was there.
Give me a date. What date?
February 5th.
February 5th, what year?
2013.
Okay, we're going to follow up with CNBC about where Michael Lewis was on February 5th, 2013. Were you in Kansas City or New York?
I was with Brad Katsuyama when I visited.
You can't hear them.
You were in Kansas City on February 5th, 2013?
Okay.
Because that's where we're located, by the way, if you wondered about it.
I wanted to see where the high-frequency traders hooked up.
Look, you go to a data center, going to a data center and standing outside and saying you talk to us is not the same thing.
No,
okay, so be honest with yourself.
So the other thing so the question was, there's actually no point in talking to someone who's just throwing dust in the air.